Hello everybody, welcome to Super Bunny Kids. Today we are going to be learning how to draw a cat. So the first thing you're going to need is a Sharpie marker to help you draw. And you're also going to want to need this to help you draw your cat head. So you're going to try to put it in the middle as best as you can, like this. And you're going to want to take your black Sharpie marker and start to trace, just like this. So once you're done tracing, you're going to want to remove the circle. And now you're going to want to try to draw the ears like this. So you're going to do two little triangles like this. Then you're going to want to make two little lines like this and then a point at the top for both of them, to help you make sure that that's where you want it to be. So you're going to want to do this to help you. Now on the inside, you're going to want to do like a little zigzag pattern to help you make the little, can you guess what it is? Yeah, the little fur inside of the cat's ear. So now you're going to want to draw the details. So you're going to draw lines like this the best you can. And you're going to try to draw like a U shape on top of them. On the top, you're going to draw three little lines here. And on the cheeks, you want to do only two lines. And you're also going to want to do the same thing, make a little U shape. And you're going to want to do this. And then the exact same thing on the other side, like this. So once you're done with the details, now you're going to want to do the eyes, nose, and mouth. So you're going to get a coin, and then you're going to want to do this, trace out the coin. Then you're going to want to do it on the other side, the exact same thing. So once you have your eyes, you could do whatever you want inside your eyes, but I'm going to make little hearts like this. And if you want it to be a girl, then you can put lashes. Don't want it to be to a girl, then you could just leave it how it is. So I'm going to make mine a girl, so I'm going to put two little lashes on the side. And now you're going to want to draw a little nose. It's going to be like a triangle, like this. You can color it black or pink or red or whatever you want it to be. I'm going to color mine black. And now you're going to want to do the little lines like this to help you make the mouth of the cat. If you want, you could do a tongue or not. You can just make its mouth open by just drawing like a U shape right there. Or you can make a little tongue, like a smaller U shape with a little line through it. And now we are done with drawing it, and now we're going to start to color it. You can use whatever colors you want. I'm just going to use yellow and orange for the cat. and you guys could follow along, but we're going to speed this coloring part through, and you guys could watch. Now everybody, we are done with drawing our cat, and I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one, Super Bunnies. Bye!